Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 9th of October. European and UK bourses traded flat for the majority of the session and lacked any real direction early on. However, it did slip to lows after US trade balance data showed a narrowing deficit, though since then have retraced that entire move. European government bonds opened on the back foot following that sloppy 30-year note auction we saw out of the US Treasury yesterday, and after Bernanke said that the Fed is ready to raise interest rates when the economic outlook has improved sufficiently. Other news of note today: the Canadian unemployment rate unexpectedly dropped in September and thus caused dollar CAD to move to a fresh 12-month low. The Canadian currency also performing well against other major pairs. Elsewhere, WTI crude traded largely sideways in Europe, though did move to fresh lows after the NYMEX pit open, weighed on by an advancing dollar. In terms of US equity specific news for US banks, according to Treasury Department, 33 TARP recipients missed a scheduled dividend payment to taxpayers last month. Chevron reported in its interim update that earnings for Q3 are expected to be higher than in Q2, while Monsanto is being investigated by the US Justice Department for a possible violation of antitrust rules. And Occidental Petroleum is to buy Citi's controversial Fibro unit. On the broken move front today, Google price target has been raised to $600 from $475 at Credit Suisse, and UBS adds Apple to strategic stock selection list, while Bank of America's Q3 loss per share view has been narrowed at Foxbit to 9 cents from 19 cents, and JP Morgan has been started with a strong buy rating at Raymond James, price target there of $60. Further to that, Citigroup Q3 loss per share view has been widened at Foxbit to 20 cents from 13 cents, also raises Citigroup price target to $4.50 from $4. Bristol Myers has been downgraded to neutral from outperform at Cohen, and finally Research in Motion upgraded to outperform from neutral at RW Baird. So looking ahead, it is indeed a pretty light calendar today. We will see the release of the ECRI Weekly, followed by Baker Hughes US rig count later, and also be looking out for comments from Fed's Cohn and Bullard.